Okay, today I have a dial clock to restore. It's an unusual dial clock. Well, it's not unusual, but I think, I can't be sure, but I think it's going to be a walnut, which is unusual wood. So it's going to be well worth doing. So look at the state of the movement. All important. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. It is chain driven, which is good. Fixed pallets. And desperate need of a clean, but this is not always that bad. Because it's not been running, it's generally probably fine. The bushes are good. Springs probably set, so that'll be no good. The chain needs obviously cleaning. Yeah, I think this is going to be okay, you know. So come back to me in a couple of hours, well more than that, it'll be about 7 or 8 hours, and I shall have this one all beautifully restored. I'll take another video. It's James from Vintage Clocks.